Model, 63-plate Toyota Hilux Invincible 3.0 D-4D 171.99 km MOT failure welding. Body, grey 4x4. Mileage, 90,342. Engine, 2,982 cc 1 kdf TV 169 bhp Euro 5. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. This has failed its MOT and is extremely rusty underneath. Bodywork is lovely grin, but the underneath is not good, ideal for export or use for parts. Do what you want, up to you, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,095 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401